More people will be heading out to cruise on their motorcycles. We've already seen them around town, and we've got one right here.
That's right. A real-life motorcycle. Check this out.
Is that a... What?
Ooh, Jason is going to want to turn after this.
Oh, that's
a
sharp.
Sweet bike.
Look at this guy.
Woohoo!
That's my kind of bike, too.
I could see you, yeah. That
That's
looks
like-
very Jason-esque.
That's like the kind of BMW that chases James Bond, right? The bad guys are on the bikes, and he kind of...
Absolutely. So also with us is Chad Teachout with our friends at the Michigan Secretary of State's office. The state is kicking off a new campaign this year to help motorists prevent crashes with motorcyclists. Thank you for being here.
Thank you. Thank you for
This is
having
good
us.
stuff.
Yep.
So tell us about the campaign.
It's a brand new campaign for the state of Michigan. It's geared towards raising motorcycle awareness, motorcyclist awareness
Smart.
to among motorists. Yes, to help prevent some of these crashes.
All right, so you're going to help us out. We're going to take a quick pop quiz to learn more, see where we are and where we need to improve. And these are things that will help keep the road safe and everyone happy. Right?
Yes, that's the intent.
All right, let's
Correct.
get into it. The first one is true or false, right?
Yep.
Lay it on us.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay.
Dun, dun, dun.
Ready.
All right. So I'm reading the question, right?
Yes.
So true or false, most motorcycle vehicle crashes occur on highways. True or
True.
false?
I say true. What
I
do you
say
say?
false. I say city streets.
That's false. Yes, it is false. You'd be correct.
Okay.
There's a large misconception that a lot of these types of crashes do happen on highways, when in fact they happen on busy city streets.
Is that right? Okay, that
Yep,
makes sense.
yep.
Makes sense.
You know, streets like Woodward, Gratiot, and Telegraph, busy intersections, that sort of thing.
Okay,
Yeah.
so let's get to question number 2.
Sure. Question 2, what action most commonly precedes a motorcycle vehicle crash?
I would say it's somebody turning out in front, making a turn in front of a motorcycle they don't see.
Yes, correct.
that's what I was
Typically, yeah, exactly. Typically a left-hand turn at an intersection, busy intersections. You know, motorcycles have a smaller profile, so they're harder to see. They get overlooked by motorists. And yeah, they just need to take an extra second and look twice.
All right, that would be A. So what's question number 3?
Question 3, what time of day is a motorcycle vehicle crash most likely to happen?
All right, so we've got some options here.
Yes.
This was hard for me. I think it's C, 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. That's what I think. What do you think?
I'm going with you because that's when guys are out riding. That's when you see them in Royal Oak parking their bikes. I'm going with C.
Correct. That would be correct. I mean, a number of reasons. You could be,
Thank
you know, you could look at it and say, well, it's rush hour. There's a lot more motorcycles and vehicles on the road. A lot of people, you know, folks get home from work around that time of day and they want to go for a nice evening ride. So that is correct.
All right,
Yep.
so what's the next question?
So the question 4, on average, how many motorcycle vehicle crashes occur in each year in Metro Detroit area?
I don't know.
I would say at least one a day, so I'm going to go with C.
Ooh, 1 a day. I was hoping it was B.
Well, I wish it was as well, but the answer is actually D, more than 600 a year. The last 5 years data shows there was actually over 3,000 crashes over that 5-year period.
Wow.
Yeah.
We got some work to do.
Yep. Just in Wayne, Oakland, and Macomb counties alone. So.
Wow.
Does the Michigan Secretary of State's office have any official guidance or thoughts about riding helmetless, or the guys on 696 who are doing wheelies and going 150 miles an hour coming up on traffic?
To each their own. I mean, I can't condone that, definitely. You know, I don't know that they have a position on that, I guess.
Helmet?
Yeah.
Yeah, but I don't think going 150 miles an
No,
hour. I think
no,
we can definitely give that a firm no.
That would be a no.
Don't do
Yes,
that.
I would not condone that.
All right.
Correct. Yep.
So where can people get more information and see, you know, where the most crashes occur and kind of educate ourselves?
Correct. They can go to michigan.gov/look twice.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay.
On that website, they can find crash maps of, you know, their area, see where a lot of these crashes commonly are happening. There's also a driver tips card on that website as well with some of these questions that we just talked about, and it gives motorists some of these tips on how to share the road with motorcyclists.
All right, Rick, on the motorcycle, just a word of advice. Don't chase a guy in an Aston Martin wearing a tuxedo. 'Cause you
Very
might not make it.
007.
Thanks for being in today.
Thank you guys so much.
Thank you.